Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. This is my variation on a popular Izakaya dish called foil grilled mushrooms. I found some beautiful trumpet mushrooms that were perfect for this dish. I'm making the mushrooms using traditional technique, but I'm amping up the presentation by using 3.5-inch covered cocottes instead of foil. But you could use 12-inch square sheets of heavy-duty foil for individual portions, or a larger sheet of foil and cook all of the mushrooms at the same time. If you use foil, make a pouch with some airspace in it so the mushrooms can steam. So let's start cooking.
Now we're going to make our mushrooms. These are the baked mushrooms with ponzu butter. Right, first thing you want to do is to heat your grill or your flat top. I'm using a flat top tonight. I already have the butter in this bowl. Now I'm going to add the mushrooms. You can see they've been cut into pieces that are about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. These are trumpet mushrooms. You could use shiitake, you could use other mushrooms. And we're going to lightly salt them with a little bit of sea salt. And then we're going to add the ponzu sauce. I have a separate lesson on making ponzu sauce. And then we're going to mix them up. Get them well coated with the butter. Okay, now I'm going to use these cocottes for this dish. If it looks like they have some debris in them, they do. That's because I already put some mushrooms in there to see if they fit properly. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to spoon these mushrooms into the cocottes. You could use a ramekin to do this, or you could use aluminum foil in making a pouch like is done kind of in the traditional Izakaya method. I want to make sure that they're kind of evenly divided among the 4 cocottes. Now we're going to top each one with the cold pat of butter, okay? And then the lemon slice. Then we're going to put on the lids. And then we're going to grill those or put them on the flat top. Okay, now we're going to put the cocottes on the heated grill. If you're using a grill, I'm using a flat top. And we're going to check them after about 5 minutes. They're probably going to go 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, our mushrooms have been going about 5 minutes. Oh, look at, they're beautifully boiling in that oil and ponzu, okay? We're going to let them go about another 5 minutes. Okay, it's been a total of 10 minutes. These look beautiful. Okay, we're going to take them off and serve. Okay, here we are ready to serve. Now these lids are hot, so we can't have the guests taking them off. We're going to take off the lid. We're going to give it a little bit of a sprinkle of togarashi, and then we're going to place it in front of the guest, along with some shoyu, soy sauce. So they can pour it on there if they like, and they can pour on as much as they like. So there we have it. That is baked mushrooms in ponzu butter. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is at Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.